again at mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. My name's Thomas, and I'm coming to you to introduce to you this 1971 Chevrolet Camaro. This has a beautiful factory original color code 13 Nevada silver black rally stripe car. Beautiful, beautiful real RS car with a big block in it that will tell you what's under the hood right there. But beautiful Nevada silver paint throughout the entire vehicle, as you can see. Beautiful reflection. Black rally stripes have been done correctly. Beautiful rear chrome bumper, all the bezels, lights. Nice spoiler, how it's supposed to be in the back. Look at the continuation of this paint. Dual exhaust, correct wheels, BFGs on the tires, dual sport mirrors, beautiful trim around the windows. All the emblems look great. Check out that stance. Check out that beautiful grille in the front with the RS setup, which is original to this car. Let's check out the interior now. Beautiful. Paint is excellent. If there's any flaws, I will point them out, but I don't see any flaws on this paint. Beautiful bucket seat, 4-speed right there on the center console. Check out the door lips, how nice and slick and smooth they are. Beautiful door panels. Windows roll up and down as they should. Nice door sill plates, excellent door jambs, inner, outer, nice interior, black bucket seat belts in the front. Seat belts in the front and the back, should I say. Nice tight headliner, dome light does function. White face gauges, lights are on right now. Like I said, beautiful center console with the 4-speed shifter. Excellent dash pad, and let's cruise around to the other side. You got the stereo setup with the 6x9s and the package tray. Check out these door lips here. Look at that. Just like the driver's side. Again, excellent door panel, nice door sill plates. Inner, outer quarters look excellent on the car. Rocker moldings are nice, smooth, slick. There's your radio, excellent dash pad, nice weather stripping. This big block bad boy is ready to go. All right, so to pop the hood on this one, just like the 69s, right in here, okay? There's your latch, all the way that way. Hood pops open. There you go, boys. 396, big block, baby. Brodix aluminum heads. Upgraded headers, power steering, front power disc brakes, no overheating issues, aluminum intake. Everything looks really good under the hood. Now, let's check out the trunk, and then I'm gonna fire up the car, give you a glimpse of the rear end as well. This thing runs, drives really, really nice. As you can see, some other honeys in the background there. They're all available for sale. Boom! Got some paperwork that goes with the car. Super clean. I'm gonna detail this. Okay, I'll have that all fully detailed. Clean trunk, painted under the trunk lid as well. Underneath, nice and clean, as you can see, with the dual exhaust. And the rear traction bars have been installed with the multi-leaf original spring setup in the rear. A-arms in the front. She's beautiful. Let's give it a start. So before I start the car, let's put it in the on position. I want to show you guys the left turn signal right there, the right turn signal right there. You got the headlight switch right there, and your wipers are right there. And currently, when I turn them on, I hear the motor for the wipers, but the wipers are not coming on. I will be fixing that for you guys, okay? You can hear it, but pop on the heat here. Okay. As you can hear the motor, the blower motor, and it does blow warm air as it should. We'll shut that off. Your cigarette lighter. All right. Then you got your Pioneer radio. You know, these aftermarket radios, Rio Speedwagon. Like I said, you got the 6x9s in the rear.
Please welcome
works as well. Couple pumps. There you go, wiper started to work. I told you it was something simple. Listen to the exhaust. Oh yeah. Listen to this puppy. There you go, guys. mgmclassiccars.com. Give us a call at 847-848-1850. And in a minute here, we're going to talk about the financing and delivery. I will do a inspection as far as all the fluids, and I will also recheck everything before this car gets delivered to your doorstep. Okay, and make sure, like I mentioned to you in the video, this is how you get it. I tell you everything about the car. I'm transparent. If there's a scuff mark or a scratch, I'm going to show it to you. But this one does not have it. So, financing. If you're between a 625 and a 725, I can get you done with about 10% down. If you're over 725 and into the 800s, I can also get you done with no money down, or if you want to put some money down, you can. I got about a half a dozen banks that can do this. I would love to take you guys for a test drive, but again, like I said earlier, this weather is not that good here in Chicago, so I can't do my normal videos. This is a bad boy. So again, 1971 Chevrolet Camaro SS396, big block, Brodix headers, power steering, front power disc brakes, bucket seats, center console, 4-speed, posi unit in the back, very clean. Call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. And check out the rest of our honeys here at mgmclassiccars.com. Boom!